Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my low riders? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. You guys, today I'm going to be doing a simple shampoo, blow dry, flat iron. And usually when I flat iron her hair, because her hair has a lot of curl to it, I press it on low heat with the pressing comb, and then I flat iron it. So that's what you're seeing me do right now. I just finished shampooing it and conditioning it, and I just added some leave-in conditioner on it. She doesn't like hairspray or oil in her hair, so I didn't put any oil. But at the end, I did put some glosser, and it's like really, really light. But as you can see right now, I'm just combing the conditioner through. Ooh, what's going on with my voice, you guys? Excuse me. Actually, I'm combing the leave-in through because I sat her under the dryer. Oops, hold on. Got to put that clip in. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I had to put that picture up there. I sat her under the dryer with her conditioner for 20 minutes, and then I rinsed her conditioner out. And then, what did I do? Oh, I added the leave-in conditioner, and I'm blow drying it right now. All that stuff you guys can see, but I just have to say it because some folks don't get the gist sometimes. How was you guys' weekend? Tell me what you guys did. I had a busy weekend, and it was the busiest I've been in a long time. And not even just working, but getting out and about. You know, I went out to lunch with my friend on Friday. Had a good time, and then after that, we went to get a massage. And then on Saturday, I'm sorry, you guys, my throat is doing some crazy stuff right now. And then on Saturday, went to my grandson's birthday party at a place called Extreme Flipping Out. You guys, it was so many people there. It was like overwhelming. But anyway, it was just good seeing my grandkids have a good time, jumping on the trampolines and stuff like that. But I didn't stay for the full time. I was ready to go. It was a bit much, and it was hot and humid in there. It smelled like locker room. But came home, did nothing. Then on Sunday, I went to church with my husband. And let me rewind back. When I left the birthday party, I came home and we marinated steak. And for Sunday dinner, Sunday we went to church, came home, and we made the steaks, baked potatoes, shrimp, and a salad. It was so good. We made so much that I had stuff left over. Anyway, back to the hair. Still blow drying her hair, you guys. Still blow drying. She has the perfect texture hair too. Perfect texture. Y'all, I'm using my new blow dryer, the handleless one. It doesn't have a handle on it, and I love it because I always end up holding on to the base of the dryer anyway. And I just love it. I love it. You guys, when I put the pressing comb through the hair, I'm doing it basically to get the roots straight. Because you don't want your hair flat iron and then your roots is all kinky. And the pressing comb is not on high heat, but the flat iron is. And usually with each section, I press it and then I go back through and I flat iron it. And I don't do small pieces, so this is not considered a silk press. It's just a press and flat iron. A silk press is when you take tiny, tiny pieces of hair and flat iron. Look at the shine on that, you guys. Look at the shine on that. And there isn't even any oil on the hair, just the leave-in conditioner. And I use the Eden leave-in conditioner. I love that leave-in conditioner. And what I shampooed it with was the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 1. And I conditioned her with the Athena conditioner from Melaleuca. And I know it's Mitch-Mac products, but sometimes that's what you have to do to get the results that you need. Shh. Granny is editing this video. Is that okay with you? You guys, her hair is so soft. So soft. She just went, Be quiet. I'm babysitting my granddaughter for my son today. And it seems like every time I start... Turn that down right now. You want me to take it from you? Go in your room. Go. She claims a room in my house all the time. It's the guest room, actually. It's my room. It's my room. She want to play with that phone all loud, then she has to take it in there. And that little bang right there is going to be like swooped to the side a little bit, but not plastered down to her head. My client is a professional businesswoman. She does business taxes. She does individual taxes. She does self-employment taxes. She's all about that money, and she is the best at what she does. Her name is Gloria Williams, and you can find her at WMS Financial. And I will put a picture of her card in my in the description box. Or you can look her up on Facebook, Gloria Williams, WMS Financial. You guys know what else? I forgot to get pictures over here when it was done, but you can get the gist of it, from the video. She had to go to the office, and I had to fix my granddaughter some breakfast. So with that being said, I forgot to take a picture. But you can kind of see what the style looks like once I'm done with the video. You guys, look at that shine and the body on that hair. Okay, guys, I am all done. Just turned the chair on, and like I said, I forgot to take pictures. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. If you haven't already, again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Leave them comments, you guys. Please, I like communicating with you guys. You guys, stay blessed.